Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Monday. Y'all, it's a brand new week. It's a new week. I am so ready. Today, I'm working the whole entire day, y'all. I hope you get busy, y'all. I hope I get orders. But one thing that I noticed, the lines that be showing how busy it's gonna be, it's too low. Like, it's a low level. So, I don't know. But you know what? We're here to work. We came to work. So let's expect to get a lot of orders. So it's 8 in the morning right now. It's 8 a.m. So let's see how long it's going to take me to get my first order. You guys, I just looked. We have some incentive going on today. Yeah, it's a lot of money. $30, yo. If I do 5 trips, I'm going to get $30. And if I do 7 trips, I'm going to give $42. So that's good money over there. That's good extra money. So anyway, I just received an order. $21. $21 a shopping order, and it's going 4.7 miles. And I'm only going to shop for 5 items. So that's a very, very, very good order because the shopping items is less than 10. So for $21, so that's a very beautiful order. So let's go in and shop this order. Oh, and let me tell you guys, some people in the comment section always ask why I park in the curbside reserved area for Spark. I'm like, yo, my area has like 32 parking spot for Spark, and it's always like empty. So why not park over there? You know what I mean? Let me just show you right now how empty this place is. So you want me to go park the other areas for what? You guys see all this row over there? It's our parking spot. So I have to park here. Why not? It's always empty, and they don't care. My place, y'all, they don't care. When I say they don't care about where you park, they don't care because they never give food anyway. So let's go, and I'm gonna show you later on too how empty this place is gonna be. But if I go to my other Walmart, it'd be packed. Like, so let's go. So it took 20 minutes for me to get an order. Right now it's 8:24. So let's go. This is my first item. Let's scan it. All right, yo. I don't see what they want over here. They want the blueberry, and it's not here. So I'm about to say it's not here and see what's gonna come next. All right, I just changed it. I just said they're not here, so they changed it to this one. So let's get this one. All right, and they want some fruits. Let's get this one. Okay, want some cheese. Scan. All right, let's get our last one. 22. This one. Right now, I'm done. Let's go at checkout. Let's go. So I'm going to scan this area here and start bagging.
So investing isn't just for Wall Street pros, it's for...
Let's drive for 9 good minutes, y'all. Only 9 minutes to get to our destination. Is that the entrance? I guess. morning. Just okay. You're welcome. You guys, I got another order. $27. I'm shopping for 2 people. This is A, that's B. And I'm going to pick up my last item. And so it was $27 for I think 4 miles and shopping for 2 people. Great order. Let's go pick up this last one and go to check out. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. I'm about to turn off because I don't want to get an order while it's still running like this, and give it about 30 minutes and see what's going to happen, because I'm not working in this rain. Yo, I just checked the weather, y'all. It's going to rain the whole entire day. So for the whole entire day, y'all, it's going to rain today. So I have no idea right now what to do. I don't know what to do, y'all. I am by myself over here. By myself in this parking lot. Where is everybody at? They went home or something? Yo, I am by myself. So the rain is not pouring too much. It's slowed down. So, and I received an order, y'all. A shopping order. $22 for 2.2 miles. And it's going, I'm going to shop for 23 items. So let's go in and shop for this order. And by the way, right now it's 10:39. 10:39. So, and this is our 3rd order. So far so good. I'm getting order each hour. So 8 o'clock I received an order, 9 o'clock I received an order, and this is for 10 o'clock I received an order. So far the day, y'all, it's going good. But this rain here, it's going to ruin my day. But if it doesn't rain too much, I'm going to stay. But if it keep pouring a lot of it, I might go home. But let's go shop for this order. Yeah, I'm done. Yo, this is going to be my last order, and I'm going home because your girl can't work in the rain. I can't do this. I just can't do this. I know it's going to be busier since it's raining, but I'm gonna go home and come back maybe if the rain stops raining. But on the weather thing, it shows that it's going to rain for the whole entire day, y'all. Right now it's 10, but this thing's not sticking. Come on. It's going to rain for the whole entire day. So this is going to be my last order because it's raining, y'all. Yo, I just got this order over here. $28 for 6.7 miles, and I have to go shop for 58 items. I did not take that order, y'all. I feel like that's a lot of items to shop for only $28. At least pay me maybe $35, over $35. So in the rain right now, it's not raining. I'm thankful. Got to make my money. So, but if it keeps raining like this, it's alright because it's not raining too hard. I'm gonna go buy umbrella or the raincoat, the rain jacket. That's what I'm planning to go buy because it's not raining that much. So, and it's gonna get busier, y'all. It's going to get busy because this rain. When it rains, it always make people to don't go out. They just order the groceries. So I'm expecting a lot of orders later on today, and it's gonna be a lot of shopping orders. So about my incentive, I only have 2 more orders to give my $30, y'all. I need 2 more orders to give my $30 for today, y'all. So let's stay here for a little bit. $25 for 4.3 mayo. It's a curbside order for 3 drop off, and he is putting it in my car right now. So let's go. All right, our first drop off. All right, let's go at 2G, y'all. 2G. I don't know if it's this side or the other side, but let's start with this side. I hate when they don't say on the apartment which way to go, but I'm only dropping this one. Let me see what it says. A's, you know, so you gotta be on the other side. See, this is what I'm talking about. This makes no sense. It's the other entrance. Two G, that's 2H, 2E. Let's go there. 2F, 2G. This thing here, it's inside of my car. This is where the phone mount was, and it fell off, and it's sticky. This is sticky, and all this here. I tried to wipe it out, but So if you know anything that I can take this sticky stuff, let me know. All right, our last dropper. I said to ring the doorbell. $25, no, $20. $20 for it's going 5 mayo, and it's a shopping order for 35 items. Yo, I did not take that order because I know I'm gonna get a good order since it's raining. So, and $20 for 35 items, it's not too bad, but I'm not gonna take it because I know I can receive a good order since it's raining, and we're going to have a lot of shopping orders. So decline. All right, guys, I just got another order. It's a shopping order. $25 for 2 customers. Oh, yo, that's bad. It's slippery. Ooh. $25 for 2 mayo, and I'm going to shop for 2 people. And altogether, 14 items. Yo, I need to change my shoes because I'm asleep. Yo, I need something in here, and I have pressed this. It's been like 15 minutes now, going to 20 minutes, and nobody has showed up. I want to tell somebody to page somebody to come open it. They paged him or whoever, but he doesn't show up. So at this point, I don't know what to do, y'all. They're just wasting my time. They're really, really wasting my time. Over 15 minutes standing here waiting. It's crazy. I need that thing over there. Just received another shopping order, you guys. $36, and it's going to 3 mayos, and we're going to shop for 31 items. Not bad at all. Not bad. The money's good. The item, it's all right. So let's go in and shop the order. And I already got my $30 incentive. I mean, I reached the 5 trips. I was looking for that word. 5 trips. My last trip was my 5th trip. So right now, let's go to 7 trips so I can do that. I can give that $42. All right, y'all. Let's go shop for this order. All done. Let's go at checkout. That's a lot. $15 for 4.4 miles. That's a shopping order. I'm only going to shop for 1 item. Just 1 item. You guys, I just got back from delivering that order that I just told you that I had 1 item to shop. So, and I just received another order. Right now it's 4:30. And I think this one's going to be my last one, y'all. It's going to be my last order because I'm going to shop a lot of items. I'm going to shop 56 items. 56 items, and they paid almost $40. It's $39 with some cents. I don't remember how much cents, but almost $40. So let's go shop this big order, and now it's gonna take me time in there. That's why I'm saying that it's going to be my last order for that day. So let's go shop this order. Right now it's 4:30. All done. Oh. Yo, I'm in the front of my house right now. I am done working. Oh my god, it was such a beautiful day. It was busy. I had an orders, beautiful orders, and I worked for 9 good hours, y'all. I worked for 9 hours, and my son is calling me. Wait. And what was I saying? I don't know where I left off, but yo, I made $213, yo. $213 plus my incentive for today. It was I got $42 for 7 good orders. So $213 plus $42, $255. Oh my gosh, $255, you guys. If you love watching this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.